Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have some great things to show you here. This is going to be the first part of my DIYChoose order. So this is from DIYChoose. Thank you so much for sending this stuff over. I can hardly wait to show you guys this stuff. Lovely stuff here. Just wait. Just wait. Okay, let's show you this one first since it's out of the bag and I can't get it back into the bag. This one was called, I believe it was called a wall sticker. And I was like, I thought it was going to be just a sticker. It's really not. It's one of those pieces of foam. Yeah, so it's foam. It's very lightweight because it will stick. Anyhow, look, it's so cute. It's for Easter, right? We have an Easter basket, Easter eggs, lots and lots of rhinestones. There's a couple special drills over here. Not many special drills. Okay, I had to figure this out. Why is this called a sticker? Well, I'll show you why it's a sticker, all right? Because they send us in our toolkit, look what they send us, 3M double-sided sticky tape. So you attach the sticky tape to the back and then it's a sticker and it will stick on your wall. Got it? Got it. Okay, yeah. They had several of these, and not all Easter. Other things like cats, dogs, just other things. They're called a wall sticker. Interesting. Anyhow, it was really cute. Let's see what we have. It looks like it's all rhinestones, so that's kind of cool. Lots of rhinestones. All right, let's see what we have. Beautiful colors, all kinds of colors here. All right, what do we have? We have some pretty blue. Yep. Okay, we got to focus. It doesn't autofocus for me anymore. All right, blue. Oh, there's the larger ones. Those are gold. So I think that's what's going to go in here, are these larger, like yellowy color. Another blue, like an olive green, a clear, a yellow, a couple more greens, a pink, a red, an amber color, a gold, a salmony pink, and a red. Lots of colors. All right, so that is the wall sticker. Interesting. On this foam. Very weird. It's weird foam, but it's lightweight, so it should potentially stick on the wall pretty good, right? All right, then we got this. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this. I'm excited about this one, okay? This is right up my alley, right? They all come with their little tool kit, and here's their drills. Ooh, our chain is in here, hanging out separately. Okay, so here's a chain to hang it by. I hope there's some hooks. Yeah, there's little alligator clasp things at the end, see? So it'll attach to the holes at the top. Okay, look at it. This is on that white, like plastic. I think that's a plastic. Look at how cute that is. It's a horseshoe, and it's got sunflowers on it and some other flowers. So pretty. And it's perfect because horseshoes are supposed to be this way because the luck goes in and it stays in your horseshoe. You don't tip your horseshoe upside down. Hello. Shh. One moment. All right, back to where we were. We were keeping our luck in our horseshoe. But this is so cute. I love this. And then you have the two holes up here at the top to put your chain in and hang it. I love it. All right, toolkit, drills. Let's see what we have drill-wise. Yeah. Dogs, I'm telling you, dogs. All right, here we go. Here are our rhinestones. A green, yellow, a peach, a red, a couple more greens, a pink, a beautiful blue. I love that blue. Some white pearls, and whoa. Okay, this is different. These are tiny, tiny marquees. They're not teardrops like the slivers normally are. Those are oval. Slivers are normally shaped like a little teardrop. Very interesting. I mean, I think they're oval, not teardrop shape. What do you think? I think they are. I think they're different. They're still just as tiny, but I think they're a little different shaped. Interesting. Okay. So there's our two off-canvas projects. And then we have, this came with some black plastic tweezers. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute, right? Got this cute hat here. all set for the 4th of July, doon, 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 or, you know, whatever. Isn't it cute? A pot of geraniums. Those are definitely geraniums with a flag in it. And then all the fireworks. Do we get drills? Yes. Hopefully these are going to be stars, because I think, though, yeah, those are sticky. I think we're going to get little stars all the way around the outside. That's fantastic. That's cute. That's cute. I love that. That one's fun. All right. Let's see what we have for drills. Ooh, there's 2 stars shown here. Oh, because look, that's a red star. That's a green star. We got 2 different kinds of stars. All right, all right. Okay, here we go. What do we have? A bunch of clear. 2 bags of clear. That's a ruby red, dark garnet. Peachy red. That's almost the same color. It is the same color. A peachy gold, a green, a blue, cobalt blue, peachy rust color. Oh my goodness. Have you ever had stars like that in a kit? Whoa, look at those bad boys. Those are beautiful. I feel like I'm back at school. I'm the teacher. I'm going to give out stars. Oh, how pretty. And then there's purple ones. Oh my goodness. I love the stars. They're not just gold or silver. Look at those. We got pink, not pink, purple and blue. Love those. I love this kit. I love this one. Okay, flatten out. Come on, flatten out. I need you to flatten out. All right. And then the last one for this unboxing, this part, is these cute little owls. Aren't they adorable? Just 2 little owls. They look like they have on like little caps, little night caps or something. They're going to sleep. They got some ornaments, so it's a little Christmassy maybe, but it's still super, super cute, right? Super cute. Confetti background. All confetti. Look at that. Yep, even up here. TYF, all confetti. Super cute. It has 24 colors. I love them. They were adorable. They're just these cute little owls hanging out there, right? I love my owls. And their drills came pre-bagged. So here's our colors. Grayish blue, blue, brown, burgundy, browns, tans, blues, grays, tans, blues, right? So the only real red color is this one right here, which has got to be for the tree and like their scarves, and got to be another red color in there. Maybe they're going to do it with the browns and the tans and stuff. I don't know. Purple? That's a purple. What do you think? I don't know. Anyhow, super, super cute, right? Love it. Okay, I love this guy. Love this guy. He's got to get done. I love those stars. Okay, I loved everything in this one, right? Didn't you? I think this was fun. Fun, fun stuff. All right, that's it for the first part of the unboxing. Again, thank you, DIYChoose, for sending stuff for us to look at, and I will link them below so you guys can go check them out. What did you like? What did you like? What should I do first? Oh my goodness, I don't know. I really like him. I really like him, but I really like him. I don't know. We'll see. All right, I gotta get busy because I gotta finish filming so I can go diamond paint and get some stuff done. I'm running out of time for Smashing the Specials. I am. All right, hit that like button. If you're new here and you enjoyed the content, think about subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. It's right down there, somewhere down there at the bottom. All kinds of good stuff is down there. Join the channel, subscribe, stuff in the description box. Check it out, okay? Thanks. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.